The year you were born holds a deeper significance than just the date you entered the world. In Buddhism, time and birth are seen as intricately connected to karmic cycles, energy flows, and spiritual paths. Let's stop wasting time and see what the numbers mean. The last digit of your birth year is more than just a number. It's a clue, a cosmic fingerprint of your karmic past and spiritual future. We'll uncover the hidden meanings behind each final digit of your birth year, from 0 to 9. Each number resonates with specific energies, and the last digit of your birth year can act as a key to understanding the unique challenges, opportunities, and strengths you bring into this life. If your birth year ends in 0, you are aligned with the energy of new beginnings and infinite potential. In numerology, the number 0 represents the void, the space where everything and nothing exist simultaneously. It's a powerful number in Buddhism, symbolizing emptiness, shunyata, from which all things arise and return. The number 0 is a call for renewal and self-reflection. You have a natural ability to start fresh, adapt to new situations, and recreate yourself whenever necessary. This is both a blessing and a challenge, as your life may feel like a constant cycle of endings and beginnings. However, this process of renewal is your strength. It allows you to continuously evolve and grow. The energy of the number 0 reminds you to embrace the concept of impermanence. Life is ever-changing, and the more you accept this, the more peace you'll find. Meditation on emptiness can help you release attachment and live more freely. Learn to let go of past patterns and relationships that no longer serve you. Your life is about creating space for new possibilities, so don't fear change. Embrace it. Those born in years ending in 1 are naturally inclined towards leadership, independence, and the pursuit of their own path. The number 1 signifies individuality and the courage to stand alone. In Buddhism, the focus on individual effort is closely tied to the concept of right effort in the Eightfold Path, making consistent, mindful choices that lead to personal growth. You are a person who values self-reliance. Challenges that require strength, resilience, and determination are your area of expertise. While others may seek community for support, you often find that your greatest accomplishments come from your ability to trust yourself and lead the way. The number 1 reminds you of the importance of cultivating your inner strength. The number 1 also encourages mindfulness, that leadership does not mean isolation. The Buddha taught that compassion and connection are essential to true wisdom. While independence is a gift, learn to balance it with the ability to work harmoniously with others. Isolation can limit your spiritual growth, so practice compassion and be open to receiving support. If your birth year ends in 2, your karmic path is centered on balance, partnership, and duality. The number 2 represents the interplay of opposites, light and dark, joy and sorrow, self and other. In Buddhism, balance is a core teaching, reminding us to seek the middle way. What this means for you. You are someone who thrives in relationships and partnerships. Whether in friendships, family, or professional connections, you find meaning in collaboration and harmony. However, your challenge is often to maintain balance in your life. You may struggle between giving too much of yourself to others and neglecting your own needs. The number 2 invites you to explore the middle path in all areas of life. Practice balancing your inner world with the outer demands placed upon you. Meditation can help you cultivate inner peace, while mindfulness can improve your relationships. Your karmic lesson. Learn to set boundaries and prioritize self-care. While relationships are crucial for your spiritual growth, don't lose yourself in the process of trying to please others. True harmony comes from inner balance. Those born in years ending in 3 are gifted with the energy of creativity, communication, and joy. The number 3 symbolizes self-expression and the ability to bring ideas into the world. In Buddhism, joy is one of the 7 factors of enlightenment, and those with this number are often driven by the desire to spread positivity and beauty. What this means for you. You have a natural inclination towards the arts, communication, and creative endeavors. Whether through writing, art, music, or conversation, you thrive when you can express your inner world to others. However, this need for expression can sometimes lead to overcommitment, making it hard for you to focus on one thing at a time. The number 3 encourages you to channel your creativity into mindful, purposeful actions. Consider how your talents can be used to bring joy and wisdom to others. Mindful creativity can be a powerful way to connect with the present moment. Learn the art of focus and discipline. While your creativity is a gift, too much scattering of energy can prevent you from reaching your full potential. Embrace practices like meditation to ground yourself and cultivate clarity of purpose. If your birth year ends in 4, your karmic journey is deeply tied to stability, structure, and perseverance. The number 4 represents solid foundations and the value of hard work. In Buddhism, the 4 Noble Truths are the foundation of the Buddha's teachings, symbolizing the truth of suffering and the path to its cessation. What this means for you: you are someone who finds strength in routine, discipline, and building a stable life. Others may admire your ability to stay grounded and committed, even in challenging times. However, this focus on stability can sometimes lead to inflexibility or resistance to change. The number 4 encourages you to stay dedicated to your spiritual practice. Just as a sturdy house needs a strong foundation, your inner peace requires a disciplined, consistent approach. Meditation, mindfulness, and the study of Buddhist teachings will help you maintain this stability. While structure is important, don't become so rigid that you miss out on life's natural flow. Learn to balance stability with flexibility, allowing space for spontaneity and growth. Change is a natural part of life, and resisting it only causes suffering. If you were born in a year ending in 5, your karmic path is all about freedom, adventure, and change. The number 5 symbolizes movement, exploration, and the desire for new experiences. In Buddhism, the 5 aggregates, form, sensation, perception, mental formations, and consciousness, explain the nature of human experience and its impermanence. What this means for you: you are someone who craves variety and thrives on adventure. Whether through travel, new projects, or learning experiences, you are always seeking ways to expand your horizons. However, this need for freedom can sometimes make it hard for you to stay grounded or commit to long-term goals. The number 5 invites you to explore the impermanence of life. By embracing change and understanding that nothing lasts forever, you can find peace in the present moment. Meditation on impermanence can help you stay grounded while still enjoying the thrill of new experiences. Your karmic lesson: learn the importance of commitment and focus. While freedom is essential to your growth, don't shy away from dedicating yourself to meaningful projects or relationships. Freedom is best enjoyed when balanced with responsibility. Those born in years ending in 6 are aligned with the energy of compassion, nurturing, and service to others. The number 6 represents harmony, caregiving, and the importance of family and community. In Buddhism, compassion, karuna, is one of the key virtues on the path to enlightenment, reminding us to ease the suffering of all beings. What this means for you: you are someone who naturally gravitates towards roles where you can care for others. Whether as a parent, friend, or professional, you find fulfillment in helping those around you. However, this giving nature can sometimes lead to self-sacrifice, where you neglect your own needs. The number 6 reminds you of the importance of compassion, not just for others, but for yourself as well. Practice loving-kindness meditation to cultivate a balance between giving and receiving. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Your karmic lesson: learn to prioritize self-care and set healthy boundaries. Your compassion is a gift, but don't allow it to deplete your energy. By taking care of yourself, you'll be better able to serve others. If your birth year ends in 7, your karmic path is closely tied to spiritual insight, reflection, and a deep inner world. The number 7 is considered sacred in many spiritual traditions, symbolizing wisdom, introspection, and the pursuit of truth. In Buddhism, the 7 factors of enlightenment guide us toward awakening. What this means for you: you are someone who values depth and meaning, Superficial conversations and material pursuits rarely satisfy you. You crave understanding and spiritual growth. However, your introspective nature can sometimes make you feel isolated or disconnected from the world. The number 7 encourages you to dive deep into your spiritual practice. Whether through meditation, study, or contemplation, your path involves seeking truth and wisdom. Mindfulness is your greatest ally, helping you stay present while exploring the depths of your inner world. Your karmic lesson. While introspection is important, don't forget to engage with the world around you. Your insights are valuable, but they are most powerful when shared. Find ways to balance your inner journey with meaningful connections in your external life. Those born in years ending in 8 are aligned with the energies of abundance, power, and success. The number 8 is often associated with wealth and achievement, but in Buddhism, true abundance comes from right action and good karma. What this means for you? You're someone who has the potential to attract success and prosperity in your life. Whether through career, relationships, or personal goals, you have a natural ability to manifest your desires. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Be mindful of how you use your influence. The number 8 reminds you that true wealth is not just material, it's spiritual. Generosity and ethical behavior are key to cultivating lasting abundance. Practice mindful giving and consider how your actions impact the world around you. Your karmic lesson. Learn to use your power for the greater good. While personal success is important, true fulfillment comes from contributing to the well-being of others. Share your abundance and watch it grow. If your birth year ends in 9, your karmic journey is one of compassion, service, and selflessness. The number 9 represents completion, humanitarianism, and the desire to help others. In Buddhism, compassion is the cornerstone of enlightenment, and those with this number are often called to serve. What this means for you? You are someone who feels a deep responsibility to make the world a better place. Whether through charity, volunteering, or simple acts of kindness, you are driven by the desire to ease suffering. However, this calling can sometimes lead to burnout if you don't take time for yourself. The number 9 encourages you to embrace the practice of compassionate service. By dedicating yourself to the well-being of others, you're following the path of the Bodhisattva, one who strives to help all beings achieve enlightenment. Your karmic lesson. Remember to care for yourself as you care for others. Balance selflessness with self-care, and you'll be able to sustain your compassionate efforts for the long term. The last digit of your birth year offers a unique insight into your karmic path and spiritual journey. Whether you're a leader, a nurturer, an adventurer, or a seeker of wisdom, each number holds a lesson that can guide you toward a more mindful, compassionate, and fulfilling life. In Buddhism, understanding your karmic patterns helps you cultivate right intention and right action, essential steps on the path to enlightenment. The numbers are just one of the many ways the universe speaks to us, offering clues to help us align with our highest selves. Comment wisdom if you have reached the end of this video. Now that you know what the last digit of your birth year means, how will you use this wisdom to shape your future?